I wrote there now. This. What is the answer for this one? Anybody please read what is this? Or what is this? Tell me. Both are same or no?
Square root of 100.
Both are same. Hello. കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് രണ്ടും ഒന്നാണോ? What is this? Answer പറയും. Here I am writing this one. Here I am writing same thing. Both are same. Sir, here 2 not here, here 2 is there. Yes. Everywhere 2 is there. That is why square root, but you are not writing this one. Not yet are writing. Square root of 100 is 10. That means this also 10. Square root, we are not writing square. 2 is there. Now listen here. Don't confuse square and square root. Square and square root. What is 10 cube? Tell me what is 10 cube. 10 cube എത്ര? നിങ്ങളെന്താ സംസാരിക്കാത്തത്? What is 10 cube?
10 into 10.
That is 1000. This is 1000. That means square root of 10. No, I am coming telling only. Square root of 1000. You cannot see now, you cannot do now. You can do. But a small thing I am telling. Cube and cube root. Square and square root I told you. Understand that what is square and square root. Now square root of 100, that is 10. Now 10 cube is equal to 1000. That is why we are writing not square root. Here we have to write cube root. Square root, no need of writing. Cube root, you have to write. Now, what you understood by cube and cube root? You can see there. Tell you what I am telling. Square and square root, I think no confusion is there. Now, one more thing is the cube and cube root. You can see that a small cube and cube roots. Cube and cube roots. So 10 cube is equal to 1000. That means 10 into 10 into 10. That is 1000 3 times. Cube root means multiply a number by itself. How many times? 3 times. Square root means number into, no, sorry, square means number into number into number, that is square. No, number into number. That is why x into x, that is s square. This is square. Multiplying a number by itself. Now, here we can see 10 into 10 into 10. Suppose x into x into x. This is s cube. This is called cube. Multiplying a number by itself, you 1, 2, 3. Not 3 into, here not 2 into. Don't confuse that. Square root of 4 is not 4 into 2. You study that. That is 4 into 4. That is 16. This is 4 square. Not 4 into 2. Like that here also. Cube. X into x into x. So cube of 2. Tell me what is 2 cube. The children think and tell me what is 2 cube. What is it? 2 into
8.
2
8.
into 2 into 2, that is really 8. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Cube is 2 cube. Now 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Yes. 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 cube. 4 into 4. 16 into 4. 74. 4 into 4. 16. Double of 16 is 32. And double of 32 is 64 or 74. 4 4s are 60, 32, 64. Okay. Now like that we are getting 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5. That is 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So after the 6, now 10 cube. That we study 10 cube, 10 into 10 into 10. That means 1000. These are called perfect cube. Before that, we studied perfect squares. Now, perfect square, we study the square root of that. How can we take the square root? Reverse cross. Square root of 100 is 10. Then square root of 25 is 5. Now my question is, we are coming to the cube and cube root. Can you tell me what is the square root of 125? Or what is the square root of 8? Tell me anybody what is the square root of 8? Can you? You can, but it is not a perfect square. When we are doing the square root, how many times the pair came? 2, how many times or 3? Prime factorization. Okay, we did that. Square root of any number we did by prime factorization. Pair. So my question is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. It is very clear. Cube root of 8. What is cube root of 8? Tell me what? 2. Cube root of 27. 3. Cube root of 64. 4. Cube root of 125. 5. Cube root of 1000. That means 10. Don't confuse square root and cube root. Understand? Here square root means pair. Pair, how many? One pair you are taking. When you are doing the cube root, 3 out of 3, 1 out of 3, 1 like that. So tell me what is the difference between square and cube? What is the difference? What is the square of 1? What is the square of 1? Ziaz, what is the square of 1?
1.
Then what is the cube of 1?
1.
Ziaz,
1.
1.
1.
So 1 is like that only. Cube root of 1 is 1. Now, how can we represent that? Cube and cube root. Write the handing order of cube and cube roots. Write the cube and cube roots. Write the cube and cube roots. Cubes and cube roots. Chapter 7, page number 108. Write the cubes and cube root. Chapter 7, cubes and cube roots. എല്ലാരെ കയ്യിലും ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് ഉണ്ടോ? Now 13 came.
Yes.
ആരെങ്കിലും ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഹാൻഡ്സ് അപ്പ്. 13 came. So send me this screenshot. Malia send it. Now listen here. What I am telling. Midilaj not textbook. Midilaj എവിടെ? എങ്ങനെ?
Page number.
Midilaj cubes and cube root page number 109. Page number 109. Kanda.
Yes.
Page number cubes and cube root. Write the heading cubes and cube root. Now you can read that. You can see cubes. Figures which have 3 dimensions are known as solid figures. Cube. You know the square? And the cube means solid. That means volume of a cube. What is the volume of a cube? Tell me. Ice cube or whatever be the cube. What is the volume? What is the volume of a cube? You know what is cube?
3.
What is a cube? Tell me. Square, you know. Rectangle, you know. What is cube and cuboid? Tell me. Cube. Square is a plane figure, 2 dimension, and 3 dimension of square is cube. Length, breadth, and height. Suppose your carpet is a square, or your floor, you can say that is rectangular square. Now you are in the room. Suppose your floor is square like the 5 meter or 4 meter, 4 meter length and breadth. Can I say you are in a square or you are in a cube? Your classroom or your room where you are sitting now, my room. It is 4 meter length, 4 meter breadth, and 4 meter height is there. What is the figure? Tell me, what is it? Is this a square? Or is this a cube? മനസ്സിലായ പറയുന്നില്ല എനിക്ക് ഫോളോ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. What is this? What is the difference square and cube? And coming to the cube, like square we did before, square, the textbook also, you can see that cube. Now, cube means 3 dimension. That means length, breadth, and height. Length, breadth. What happened? I can't hear. What is the problem? Maliha, talk. What happened? You cannot hear now. What is the problem for you? Any problem? Where is Maliha? Where are you, Maliha? You are not logged. Where is that? Maliha, where are you? Come to the Zoom. Ziad? Ziad? Can you hear
Yes.
me?
Yes.
Can you see the whiteboard?
No.
Whiteboard കാണുന്നില്ലേ?
Sorry,
No
video.
video.
Sorry, video off.
Video off. I will check. Now listen here. Video not off. Video is on. Okay. So what Maliha is telling, Maliha, where are you? You are in the, you are not logged. Maliha, are you present? Maliha illalo line il. പിന്നെ എങ്ങനെ കാണാം? Maliha, okay. 8 messages she sent, I don't know. On your audio, then only you can talk. Ninde audio on ആക്ക് നെക്ക് ഓൺ ആക്കാലോ മരിയ കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ chat 14 I can't hear who is that Maliha okay maybe some problem there you check it Ziada നീ ഇതിന്റെ ഒന്ന് വാട്സാപ്പ് ചെയ്യ് സ്ക്രീൻഷോട്ട് കഴിയോ Ziad
Yes.
okay now listen here I am talking about cube is here the textbook also it is a square we studied length a side is same thing square now square to cube many other that means height also 3 dimension see the figure is like this you can see ice cube everything it is a cube here the height will be see length and breadth and height will be the h here length breadth and height this is also a so volume of a cube that means a into a that is a cube this is what I am telling cube a cube or a to the power of 3 okay now in the textbook figures which have 3 dimensions are not as solid figures okay that is cube then after that you can see the page number 110 all of you open 110 1 cube is equal to 1 2 cube 3 cube 6 cube 4 cube everything is there can you see that page number 110 come down
Yes.
okay
Yes.
all cube is there okay you can see the 5 cube what I told 11 cube 12 cube like that so many clouds the number 729,000 are also perfect cube ingane 3 times kittunnadallam perfect cube aanu as perfect squares now after that prime factorization method is the how can we do the cube how can we find the cube root okay cube and cube roots that is now listen in square root we are writing we are not writing here we are writing but square root you not do no need of writing so reverse square root of 100 is 10 now I am talking about cube roots before that you please write cube and cube roots now write the x inverse s square then after the write x into x that is s cube write that this after writing this one write here s cube now what is cube right numbers obtained when it is multiplied by itself 3 times what is cube numbers cubes when a number is multiplied by itself 3 times after writing this First you wrote here 2 times that is square. Then today we are talking about cube, right? X into x into x into x. That is s cube. Now after write what is cube? Cube. That means when a number is multiplied by itself. How many times? I'm talking about cubes. When a number is multiplied by itself, how many times?
3.
3
Three.
times. By 3 times. When a number is multiplied by itself, 3 times. We are getting the cube of that. When a number is multiplied by itself, 3 times, we get the cube of that number. That is cube. Example, first you wrote x into s is equal to s cube. Now a into a. What is it?
A cube.
A cube. Now write 1 into 1. That is 1 cube. That is 1. 1 into 1 into 1 cube. That is 1. After that, write 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, like the right after that. Now listen. In the area, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 10 cube. Cube, whatever the number, multiply by itself. That is the cube. What is the cube of 9? Find the cube of 9. All of you find the cube of 9. Cube of 9 cube is equal to find out.
729.
Okay, how you got it? 9 into 9. ഇതെല്ലാം copy ചെയ്തില്ലേ? You wrote this one or not?
Yes.
Okay. Today is New Year. Happy New Year for all of you. 2021. Happy New Year. Okay. Now here my question is find 9 cube. And second bit, find 11 cube. Tell me the answer. Find out 9 cube and 11 cube. 9 cube means 9 into 9 into 9. That means 9 nines are 81 into 9 multiplied. You can do multiplication in the working column, RHS side. 9 into 9 into 9. So 81, 19 is 9. 8 9s are 72. 729. I think you told me 729. Yes? Correct? Now as that, tell me 11 cube. 11 into. Tell me the answer for this
1300.
one. Okay. 11 into 11. You study 121 into 11. Okay. 1000. 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 3. Because 11 is like the same thing. 1331, correct? Or Ziato, that is correct. Now, suppose this is 100 into 100 into 100. Can I say this is 10 square or 10 cube? What is this? Tell me 100 into 100 into 100. What is it? Think.
One
Can I
crore.
say 10 cube or 100 cube? What is it? 100 into 100 into 100. 10 cube or 100 cube? What is it?
10 lakh.
100 to the power of?
3.
Yes, you are right. 100 into 100 into 100. 100 to the power of?
3.
Or 10 to the power of? Tell me, you are waiting. You are not very fast. Slowly. Okay, I am waiting.
100 to the power of 3.
Good. That is what I want. Don't confuse 10 to the power. This 100 is the 100 cube. 100 cube. Cube. 100 cube. Or 100 to the power of 3. Now suppose mango into mango into mango. What is mango into mango? Mango square. Now what is mango into mango into mango? 3 times. What is it?
Mango cube.
Very good. The mango cube, you are very interested. You can eat that. Mango cube. Yes, very good. That is why. That is the way I want. All of you be active like that. Now here, Ajas, Maliha, Rasal, Rasal into Rasal into Rasal. What is it?
Rasal cube.
Rasal cube. M into M into M, M cube. M into M, M square. Tell me, M square or M cube, which is strong? Which is more?
M.
Tell me M only. M square or M cube, which is more?
M cube.
M cube. It is very clear. But only one cube, 1 to the power of 100, all are same, doesn't matter. But other all, because here 10 square is 100. I will give you 10 square, you have to give me 10 cube. Ziad, you will agree? You will give me? I am giving you 10 square rupees. Can you give me 10 cube?
No.
No, why? Because, tell me, 10 square is
10 into
how
10.
much? 100, but 10 cube is
1000.
1000. So big, so strong that in power notation we study. That is why this is called power. On the shoulder, power is the strong. Now 100 cube we can say 2 zeros, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is it. How many zeros? 2. So 6 zeros. That is the way you have to understand. 100 cube. I think cube you understood. That means multiplying a number by itself 3 times Remember the mango, you like it. That is why mango cube. Okay. Now I am talking about second part. What is it? What is I wrote there in the, on whiteboard? Second part, what is it? What is this? Cube roots. Okay, so cube roots. So first thing I am talking about square root. This is square root. We study square root. Square root of 81. What is the square root of 81? 9. Now, here square root of 2. This square root we are not writing. Suppose square root of 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the square root of this number? 10,000. What is the square root of? Tell me. 100, no? Square root of 10,000, that is 100. Square root.
Cube.
100 into 100, that is 10,000. Square root of 10,000, not cube root. Listen here, how many zeros are there? Double of the zeros. So, again, now I am coming to the cube roots. This is square root. So here, no need of writing this one. Now, listen here. Suppose I am writing the cube roots. How? Symbol is exactly same. Cube root of 125. No, it is wrong. It is what I can read. Then the white, what is this?
Square root.
Square root.
Square root 125.
Square root 125. So it is not a perfect square. If you are writing cube, you have to write cube root 3 there. In short, in square root, no need of writing 2. The practice is like that because it is understood. Notation is same. This is like that only. Square root of x, but it is cube root of x. That is the difference. Square root we are not writing. Cube root we have to write, not it. So you have to write. So what is cube root of 125? Cube root of 125, what is it? 5 into 5 into 5, this one. So 3, 5 is 1, 5. That is 2. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. 3 times means we can take 1 time. Okay? So cube root of 125. Now, cube root of any number, cube root. Suppose I am telling the cube root of, what is cube root of 64? Tell me, cube root of 64.
4.
4, correct. Cube root of 64. Cube root I have to write 64. 4 into 4 into 4. That means cube root. That means 3 times, that means 4. How you got it? Method, what is the method? Listen here. All of you write cube roots. Cube root means the reverse of cube. We are getting 5 into 5 into 5, 125. So cube root of 125 means 5. Remember that. Reverse. 125. 5 into 5 into 5. Now, here also, we can manipulate x into x into x. That is s cube. So cube root of s cube. Cube root of s cube, that is equal to cube root of x into x into x. That means cube you have to write. That is 1x. Right, that is x into x into x. That is s cube. Ice cube like x cube. So cube root of x cube is equal to x into x into x, that means x. Now cube root of, my question is, what is that? Okay, we did cube root of 64, we did. Now suppose cube root of 1728. See 64, what is the method? Cube root of 64. How we got it? 125, you know, 5 into 5 into 5. Now I am talking about this 64. Method is same, 64, prime factorization. What is the first prime number? Which is the first prime number?
2.
2. Divide by 2. You know that is 32 half. Again divide by 2. That is 16. Again divide by 2. That is 4. 4 is not a prime number. Don't think 4 is a prime number. Now 16, 4. Again, what happened? 2. Yes? Am I right or not? 32, 16, 16. I am wrong here. 8. 18. 18, you have to tell me. 18. Then divided by 2. That means 9. Correct? Am I right or not?
No.
Then 64, 32, 16, 18. Okay. But what happened? Listen here. Which one? 8. 8. Very good. 8. Then 4, 2, 2. It is correct? But ശരിയാണോ? തെറ്റോ ശരിയോ പറയോ? Half of 64, 32. Half of 32, 16. 8, 4, 2. Now see
Yes.
the method is 64 is equal to, how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 into 2 into 2 into again 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what is the method? In square 2 times, but in cube 3 times. This is 3 times. 1, 2 here writing. Here 2 times, 3 times, 1, 2. So 2 into 2, that is 4. Try the method. How can we find the cube root? Just a method that we do. 3 times, don't knock. So same number, okay, you are taking that. Now check 1728. So write the last answer here. Cube root of 64 is equal to, find the cube root. That is the method, the question. Cube root of 64 is equal to, last answer you can write here. After this question, cube root of 64 is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. This is the answer. This you have to write. Then after that continuation there only from here. Cube root of 64, that is equal to 2 into 2. Listen, After writing this one, you can see 64's cube root you have to take. All of you please write one more step there. After this, don't have this one. 64. Then after this, 2, 2, 2. So one more step you can write here. Square root or cube root. Here I am taking cube root. 64, that is equal to everything cube root. 2 into 2 into 2. Then after that again 2 into 2 into 2. That means from this to 1, 2, and from this black color to 1, 2. Not by, from that we are taking, that is equal to. But one more mistake, this cube root here to write. Otherwise it is wrong. Cube root of 64 is equal to 2 into 2. First factorization, then take the cube root of that, full cube root inside the cube root. Then after that you are getting from, this is from here 1, 2, from here also another 2. Now division, 3, 2, 1, 2 we are taking outside. Because you know, cube root of 2 into 2 into 2, what is that? What is cube root of 2 into 2 into 2?
2.
2. Then again one more is here, cube root of 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2. So this 2 into 2, 2 into 2. Because of this, we can write cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into cube root of 2 into 2 into 2. Cube root of this 3, 2, 2. Again, this is 2, 2 into 2. That means 4. Now please try find the cube root of 1728. Second question. 1728. Second question. Find the cube root of 1728. Try the method. 1728. Can you try? Let me see. 1728 divided by 2. 16. 8 2s are 16. 6 2s are 12. 4 divided by 2. 4 3 2 divided by 2. 2 in 13, 6 3s are 12. 6. The number may be wrong because division like that. Okay. After that, divide by 2. 1 3 3. 1 3 3. So we cannot divide by 2. What number we can divide? Can we divide?
No.
No. Can you divide by 3?
No.
Can we divide by any other number? 7? Check.
By
Any
7.
number is possible.
7.
7.
Divide by 7 it is possible. Divide by 7. Try, Mary. I don't know, I'm checking on. Possible? Right? I think it is possible. Can you divide by 3 or 7?
7.
7. Okay, divide it. How many times? 1 7 is 7.
19.
Then 19. Not possible then? 7, 5. Now listen here, what happened? 12 into 12 into 12, 144. Multiply 12 into 12 into 12. 133. Now multiply 12 into 12 into 12. What answer you are getting? 12 into 12 into 12.
One seven two eight.
1728. 1728. So factorization you can do. That means cube root of 12. 1728 is, that means 12. So check what is the mistake we made. Any division line. Anyway, you can check that. I will also check. Don't waste time for that. Because cube root of 172 by factorization you will get it. That is cube root of, after that you are getting 12 into 12 into 12, that means 12 cube root. Now another one, check, don't confuse too much. One simple question is there. Find out cube root of 512. Check that. 512. Cube root of 512. Third question, 512. Cube root of 512. Right. 3 times we need. Five hundred and 12. Factorize 512. 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 is the, then means 5 2s are 10. Then 6 256. Then 2 1 2 2s are 4 8 128 2 6 64 2 do the name complete 32 again 2 proceed then after last proceed it and see what is happening. What answer you got? So 16, that is 2, 8, that is 2, 4, that is 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 512 is equal to 2 into 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 2. Now after the next step, write all of you like this. Next step is
8.
Okay, cube root of this is step and okay, 512 cube root here, right? That means cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into cube root of 2 into 2 into 2. That means here we know cube root of this one is 2. Here also this is 2. And here also this is 2. So the answer is 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. This is the method. This is the method. Understand the method. Copy that.